Hey my loves, I'm back with another video. So sorry I've been gone for like 3 or 4, like almost a week I think. 4 days, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get this video out the way. My head hurts really bad. It just really hurts. Okay, so this, as you see by the title, this is another AliExpress haul. This haul is kind of big. This is from the store Full Beauty. Everything will be up on the screen. Full Beauty, you guys. So I got this on the winter sale as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. All right, let's get into it. So I was trying to be very cautious and everything. So I sanitized everything, like the openings and everything, the box, the bag, but not the stuff on the inside of it. But it says the coronavirus can live on surfaces for 9 days, what they know so far. So it could be longer, because now they're saying the coronavirus, it could take up to 24 days before it's noticeable. So I'm trying to be very cautious, you guys. So if some take offense to this, I'm sorry, but not sorry. My health is more important. Alright, so let's get into this video. So I have I have these. If I'm just laughing, it's because in the background. Alright. You gonna get by it?
No. I just need you to.
Hold on, you guys. I'll be right back.
You're lying.
Alright, you guys. Okay, so you got these nail polish remover pads. These are the ones that are lint free. They're not really lint free, but they're lint free to a degree, but they get too wet. So right here it has an opening for you, but it's not actually an opening. You gotta cut it yourself if you want to do that. But that's that. It was like $3, you guys, but right now it's like $8 on AliExpress. But yeah, I got this too, so it's like I need some more. So we have this. Put that to the side. I have these bad boys right here. Roll of 500. I'm like, how am I gonna sanitize these? I don't know. If I did the outside. Alright, so I got 500 of these. I'm about to try these out to see how they are. You know what? Should I test it out, you guys? Well, I don't have my nail. I can't do it with these nails, so never mind. But you have 500 of these, and I'm trying to get the little thing you put it in, so you just, you know, pull it out. So we have that. Those are forms. We have some nail art stickers, you guys. Try to take them all out. Alright, these are gold. I had to get these. Oh, okay. We got some nice designs going on, and they're 3D too as well, you guys. 3D. I like these a lot. Ooh. Okay. I got some ideas. I'm gonna start a Freestyle Friday, you guys, doing nails, but a lot of my collabs and stuff are on Friday. So I have it on my YouTube page as my custom picture. When you go to my page, you'll see Freestyle Fridays, but I haven't actually started yet, so bear with me, you guys, okay? We have this. This is gold. I forgot how much this comes inside. I think it's like a 50 pack maybe? I mean 30? My bad. Okay, so right here, this is the 200 pack. If I could get it open. Okay, you guys. So I have this right here. Ooh, these are pretty. It's like he's at Valentine's Day, right? Let me get a little closer. So you get 200 of these, you guys. Yeah, Chris, we got this variety of stuff. So they, ooh, look at these little baby tigers. They're so cute. Oh, they're adorable. Okay, so they sent me a little letter basically telling me they didn't have one of the things that I needed. And actually they had more than one. They said they had one that I need, but they missed out on 2 of them. And they gave me some extra stuff, but Avengers, you guys, so they said I could give my money back if I want to. I don't know if they sent me extra stuff intentionally just to make up for it. I'm not really sure, but ooh, these are so cute. Look at these little cute bees. Okay, there's a lot of nice stuff on here. Those tigers. I mean, leopards. My bad. Paris. Ooh, Minnie Mouse. So you get 200 of these, you guys. If I'm wrong, it will be on the screen and you will know. Okay, yeah, it's a lot. Ooh, Audrey Hepburn. Alright. Minnie and Mickey. Like, a lot of these are like, you know, when you have short nails. I don't have all that, but yeah. You get a whole lot, you guys. Nice variety. You got the Marilyn Monroe. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that mermaid under the sea, under the sea. Okay, I'm too excited. My head is killing me. All right, these are some pretty colors, you guys. Christmas. Oh man, I want to rock these Marilyns so bad. Got the Avengers. Oh, okay. I like all these, but I'm not really. Ooh, Disney Princess. I could use it for my niece or something. She'll love that. A lot of these are the ones you put on each finger, but it's not. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Ooh, oh, okay. That is all you. You want to see it, babe?
What is it?
You'll see. Just look at it. All right, you guys, we get close to the end. I like the watercolor. Ooh, okay. All right. Show some booty. We're doing that. All right. Baby. Oh, okay, these are pretty. See? All right, you guys. That was a lot. All these fell out, but it's supposed to be 200 in here. Maybe, maybe not. So we have these right here. I like how the back is cut open for you. That's nice. That's so damn packed. Oh my gosh, like why? Okay. Oh, I can't wait for the summer. You got these nice cool drinks. Ooh. Like these. Purple mix. Hand painted watercolor clips. Hand painted? How do they do that? I think that's filthy. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's different. Got some more fruit. Got some little hot red peppers. It's spicy. Ooh, I like this one. Is it messed up? Oh, it's messed up a little. You see? How it's different compared to that? I think it's messed up. Yeah, hopefully it's just the plastic. Okay, so I've had the feeling like I'm gonna get a lot of doubles because this is something I already have. Oh, little puppies! It's so cute. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, yes. I wanted something like this. Ooh, that's pretty. This is making me hungry, you guys. Ooh. And it got drinks and has the ingredients on it to say what to use. I'm not flipping it around, you guys. That's gonna take too long, and there is a lot of stuff I gotta go through. So yeah. These things, ooh. I love black cats. I don't care nobody say black cats are not evil. I had a black cat follow me home one day. Well, ex's house. This was like in high school. It was really late at night. It was one of the nights where it starts snowing out of nowhere. Winter time, you know, it gets dark around 4 or something. So yeah, that cat followed me all the way till I got to the main street because I had a stupid boyfriend. He didn't walk me to the bus stop. So it was like a 10-minute walk to get to the bus stop. I was stupid back then. But anyways, yeah, that black cat followed me. I was scared at first, but I was like, no. I got home. My mom was like, that cat was protecting you, girl. Something probably happened. That cat was like, that cat, I started walking out the driveway. The cat started walking. The cat see me. The cat walked with me the whole time, you guys. It made sure it was ahead of me, and it kept looking back to make sure I was walking with it. And then when I got to that main street, that cat looked at me and watched me walk to the bus stop and walked away. But I did freeze though. It has on some Chucks. Or you say Converse. I love these little ladies. The Russian dolls. Ooh. But yeah. And don't get it twisted about black cats, you guys. Black cats are dope. They're awesome. Alright. I'm not gonna open this because I already know. This is... Somebody opened it. Ew. Like, for real? Hold on. Yeah. It might be too late. But I wasn't thinking. Just look at this. Look at that. Like, what is all of that? But yeah, this is... Oh, gosh. My nose itch. This is Betty Boop. I seen it, but I'm kind of mad. I thought there'd be more Betty Boops in here. There's probably like 10 of them, and that's it. And the rest is cheetah print, leopard print, whatever. I get confused with cheetah and leopard print. So don't quote me. Okay, so right here, remember what I said I was getting the same stuff? Look at me look confused with one glove. What's one glove gonna do, Ebony? Nothing. You gotta learn better than that, Ebony. Ebony, what are you doing? Okay, so... Yeah, I'm gonna put another glove on. I'll be right back. Alright. Yeah. Okay, see, I think I have this already. Ooh, you guys, these are pretty. But how many of these are you gonna give me? I guess it's from the same person. You're gonna get the same stuff, right? That's what I'll tell you. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in a stash for a giveaway. Not the one that's coming up. If you guys don't know, when I get to 550 YouTube followers, I'm gonna open my giveaway up. I'm not telling you guys what it is yet. What are you guys gonna get? Right now, I only have something for US, but oh, don't quote me. I forgot her name. I see it in my head. I just forgot her name, but I'll put it on the screen. She was like, why don't you just use Amazon, you know? And they'll get it like that. I'm like, that is a great idea. And I thought maybe AliExpress as well. As if you're comfortable with giving me your address. After you give it to me, I'll just delete it. If you want me to. Or I could send you something in the future. Alright, so I gotta cut this, you guys, because this is the way they gave it to me. Alright. Dangerous with the thing. Okay, so these are stencils, you guys. I'm not sure if they were usable. Oh, they're holographic. Oh, my eyes. I'm sorry if I'm complaining, but my head hurts. And this is... Okay. So, I'm going to look away. You get a lot of designs. You get a lot of designs, you guys. They're like doubled up, so I can't show you everything. It's so much. You get a lot. Because a lot of them are stuck together. Yeah. You guys get the gist of it. There's a whole bunch in here. I might do a separate video with you guys and actually show them all off. Like a little short video, and you guys tell me which one you want me to do a design with. How about that? Because there's a whole lot in here and they're like stuck together. And that would be like another 10 minutes just to do this. And I don't want to make this video too long. Might have to be a two-parter again. It might have to be. Yeah, they're all stuck together and it's hurting my eyes. I'm sorry, y'all. Forgive me. If you love me, you understand. You will understand. Alright, I don't know where to put this stuff to the side. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick I forgot. My niece gave this to me. I got this for Christmas. It's a LOL doll she got. Like you put it inside this little cube, this ball, and you spin it around and you get fluff and glitter. And look how big these things are, you guys. It's filled to the tippity top. She gave me some colors because she's kind of banned from glitter. That's what she get it from. Look how the glitter just wasted. Oh my gosh. That's hella glitter. Okay, so this glitter is black and it got some other colors in it. I think it's pretty, really pretty. A lot of glitter. It's those LL Surprise dolls. So it came with glitter, like 8 of these or 6, and then fluff. And here's the gold. That's a lot. Like I couldn't tell you how many ounces this is. This might be a by the look of it, because this right here, sorry you guys, this right here is 20 grams, 20 milliliters, 20 grams. I don't know, but you know the ones, that's the size it is. So I don't know. This is a lot of glitter, you guys. But I want you guys to see how much glitter I actually wasted.